Good morning and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, pouring my heart out, having a lovely time with acrylic fluid art. So today I have gone over this canvas. It's actually purple, it's just purple with pouring medium. I'm just squirting a bit more on because I want it really nice and fluid on my surface. So for my next stage, when I come to blow out kind of my ghost swipe technique, that it will really create a beautiful effect on the canvas. So this is the bright yellow, which I absolutely love with this purple. Of course, it's a really in-your-face colour, but I just love it. I kind of have christened this particular technique, doing the blowout like this, a ghost technique, because it always reminds me when you first blow it out or looking like that of a ghost going, ooh. I know, I'm silly, definitely silly. So I'm just whizzing over at the moment with my heat wand, which doesn't blow it anywhere, it just bursts air bubbles, and it also helps in a little bit the paint absorb into the canvas. So I've got my favourite little blow dryer, and I'm going to blow the paint out, and I just love, look, just those two colours, absolutely stunning. I just really enjoyed creating this piece. It really did give me the feeling in my stomach like, oh yes, this is why you love doing this particular kind of art. And I hope that if you create in the same way, or you have a go at this, that you get that knot in your stomach and you just love the process. It's good therapy, even if you don't sell a piece or put a piece on your wall. It is just so, I just believe, good for the soul. So I'll continue on with my little blowout. So now that I've finished my my ghost blowout, I'm going to add that pop of pop your socks off in the centre. Well, it's not centred. I don't like anything centred exactly right. I hate pictures on a wall exactly centred. I have to have them off centre. I suppose I like off-centred people too. I don't like perfectly perfect. We're all perfectly imperfect, I like to think of myself. But anyway, this is my thing. So I've got the deep red there and orange, and of course I'll add some more of that bright yellow to tie it together. So it's just doing the puddle pours. Now, if you are new to acrylic pouring, the recipes for the product and the products I use are in the drop-down box in the description underneath this video, and you will find links to beginners playlist where you can binge watch, you know, how to mix paints and do easy techniques for beginners. I'm adding a little bit of my Berry Delicious, which is a custom colour, which I mix very deep red with phthalo blue, and if you want it to go real dark, you add a blob of black. And now I'm just merrily going to blow those puddles out to a certain degree, and then I will finish them off, embellish them with my little teeny tiny balloon, and it really does add the finishing touches. So yeah, off we go. I just love, I mean, even watching this back myself, I just love watching it all come together beautifully. I have now done my blowout, so yeah, now for the magic of balloon kiss, which it really is. And a lot of people say they love this balloon kiss technique, but they can't get it right. The paint falls in. It is really to do with the consistency of the paint. It's a little bit easier if you got it slightly on the thicker side for balloon kissing, because those balloon kisses will hold. But always give it a second kiss in the same area after you've wiped your paint off, so you don't muddy it all up, and it should work for you. But it definitely is paint consistency, and you being persistent yourself in keep trying this technique. But how gorgeous is that? It's really so bright and vibrant. I just loved doing this. I love creating this one. Loved the effect. It kind of, made it stand out so much, almost like a 3D effect. So just now for some little embellishments, and you can do as much or as little as you like. Remember, I'm only here to just give you ideas on colours, on composition, techniques, I'm just here to, if I can help in any way, somebody start their art journey. I'm super happy with that. If you're, a proficient artist, then I needn't tell you anything. You go your own merry way. But super happy with this. Other thing that I really wanted to say is that I'm having lots of private messages saying they're not getting notified by YouTube about my videos, and they are subscribers. So I kind of think if you unsubscribe and resubscribe, they might put you back on that list again to be notified. So just a thought. Anyway, I would really hope you all have a lovely week, as I'm hoping I do, and I hope that you really enjoyed this video. Give me a like, give me a comment. It costs you nothing, and it always helps me, and it does help YouTube throw out my videos to more like-minded people. Please take care, my lovelies, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye for now.